So you can see here that I already have a recorded video from our previous lesson. So let's start editing and trimming it out in timeline, which is the first step of editing any video that you recorded. So let us just play through and see how we can work with it. So if I were to play this, let's see what is there in the beginning. Is over, the recording is started. So just like this, the recording. So what I want is, let's say this is a tutorial for Microsoft Word, and I want to just start it where I start talking about Microsoft Word. So I can scrub through the timeline right here, and then this is somewhere where I start with Microsoft Word. So let's just hear the audio as well and play this around and open up Microsoft Word, and let's say I want to do something over here. So I'm just going to go around here and I'm going to say, okay, this is hello everyone. Okay, so this is where I want the tutorial to start. Let's say, for example, in this area right here. So this part is where I say, hello everyone. Hello everyone. So I'm just going to go around and trim it. And you can see that the audio waveform acts as a clue over here. So I can simply go over here on the left side and I can just click and drag it, and what happens is that I'm trimming out the previous area just like this. So I can just go around right till this area because I know it says hello right there. So let me just play this around. Hello everyone, and that's it. But over here in the beginning 20 seconds, you can see that it is black. So I just need to drag this clip out onto the beginning and it'll start from the beginning. But the editing here is quite non-destructive. So if I were to bring it back, I get the part which I trimmed off. So I don't have to worry about losing any data. So let me just click and drag it around onto the right and bring it on the front. And now let's see how it actually looks like. Hello everyone, and this is the tutorial for Microsoft Word. And you can see that this is the interface. Okay, so this is it. I trimmed out the first part. Now let us go on to the end part and see how that looks like. On the end part, I was trying to stop the recording, so I just want to remove that part out. So let us just play and see how we can get to that point. Now I want to stop it. So you can hit the F10 key to stop, or you can go over here and then go to the okay, this is what I don't want. I just want to go around and stop recording at a point where I don't start talking about stopping the recording. So let's just go around and play this. That the screen is being recorded, and let's see. Okay, let's go even further. Beginning color design that I want, and I can see that the changes happen. Okay, so this is where I want to trim off because now I start talking about recording. So just similarly, you can see that this is happening. So what is happening is that the screen is being recorded. Okay, so I want to trim off right in the area. So I just take my cursor onto the right, and over here you can see that I have this icon which pops up. So simply drag in just like you would drag on from the beginning, just like that. And then my video gets trimmed onto that area. So now what we can do is over here, there are parts in between which I want to cut as well. So over here, let's just play around and see how that looks like. Microsoft Word, and you can see that this is the interface of Microsoft Word, and over here on the top there's the file menu where you can access out different settings. There's home, insert, design, where you'll do a lot of things. So if you were to go over around here and say hi, you can see that you can directly type in right here. So this is the part where I paused a bit on purpose so that we can actually edit this out. So let's play it and see how that actually looks like. And there I have a pause right here. So I'm just going to go. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to trim off this part in between from here to here because I'm pausing there. So I'm just going to go around here, and what I want to do is split this section. So to split it, you can press the split button right here. So once you click on it, what happens is that this clip has been divided onto two sections. So I can trim it off just like this as well. Or another thing that I can do is I can go over here. The shortcut for the split is S, so simply press S. And what happens is that you're trimming it out. Again, this is non-destructive, so you can actually drag around and get back the thing just like that. Let me just press Ctrl Z because I don't want to get that back right there. So I can simply select the middle clip and delete it out. And now I can join them out together. So now let's see how that looks like. That you can directly type in right here. So I'm just going to go around, and now you see it seems as if the video is continuous. So if there are some errors, then what you can simply do is split it out and trim the videos in timeline to refine it out. And what you can do is see through the video before exporting it out to make sure that everything is okay, and then it'll be ready for publishing. And that is how you can split and trim videos inside of the timeline of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.